Kill that shit.
Yo, what's good everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video, we're going out for a bit of a POV drive. We have the GoPro strapped to my forehead, and then we also have a camera right over here. I'm hoping both of them are picking up. It's gonna pick up on camera, but my interior is a mess, so if you guys do see that, I apologize. I am gonna get the car detailed very soon before I park it up for the winter time, and I honestly had just been super lazy to go ahead and clean it. If you guys do see this car as a mess, I apologize. Other than that though, the interior is honestly one of my favorites, even though the outside does look really nice, especially with the wrap and everything. If you guys don't know, we did add the steering wheel down right over here. This is a flat bottom carbon fiber steering wheel. Again, one of my favorite mods I've ever done to a car is the steering wheel right over here. You guys are going to be able to tell that I do have a head unit. This is the iDoing head unit. Again, having this in your interior is so clutch. I know the 2013s didn't come with one, so getting one of these if you have an older car, I would 100% recommend. I have Waze going on right now, so I can tell if there's any cops or there's anything going on near me. I have that open. You can switch to Spotify. You can switch to so many different apps. And this, along with, of course, the Alcantara, we went ahead and did. And then we have some carbon fiber going on down right over here. And then we have some of the OEM buttons like blacked out. And I think everything just flows really nicely. The only thing really about this interior though is, again, the lights that I have on my dash. I have the ABS light, the traction light, and the airbag light. The whole ABS issue, it has defeated me. I don't really know what the issue is. I'm really leaning towards a tune issue. I don't know. That's something that we're gonna have to figure out sooner or later. But yeah, that's the only part of this interior that's really, I guess, not perfect. The pop tune going on. This pop tune that I have on the car right now, it's not something that I did. We got it from the previous owner, and I honestly don't know how aggressive this tune is. It's a lot more aggressive than the tune I had on my car, I know that for sure. But this car came with the tune. I'm still trying to figure out if the tune's either Airtekk or the OpenFlash software. I don't know. I do have to figure that out because I don't want to be running this tune on the car. I don't know how aggressive it is, and then also the reliability factor is just thrown out the roof. So I definitely want to tune this car properly back to the Stage 2 tune that it should have with these headers. But yeah, it's definitely interesting. I'm gonna have to figure out what it's tuned with. Yeah, this tune is crazy. I wish I had someone here with me today to record some rollers, but I don't. I definitely am spinning some mini flames with this pop tune on the car. guys might be able to tell that the road switches to 50 right over here. A couple years ago, I was pulled over exactly right on this strip. It switches from 80 to 50 for less than a kilometer, and the cop was hiding right where this car is about to turn, and I was going, I believe, 73. So he did get me with a 73 and a 50, and right when he lit up his sirens, he followed me down this road, and I got pulled over to the side right by this sign right over here. I got pulled over right here, so I'm pulled over and I'm looking at this sign that says 80 begins, and yeah, as you guys can see, that was less than a kilometer. That was barely anything. Definitely a flame. Again, it's so aggressive and I don't know what tune it's on the car. More in detail, what I mean by that is the pop tune I ran on my car was a -7 pop tune. That's the interval that I ran. On this car right over here, it could be honestly -17. And if it is -17, I wouldn't be as surprised, but that's also really bad for the car, especially a car you're daily driving. So I definitely need to contact Airtekk, and I definitely need to hope that it's them. If it's OpenFlashTablet, we run into a lot more of an issue, because OpenFlashTablet, you need the actual tablet to go ahead and tune the car. So if I don't have that tablet, I'm pretty much screwed. As you guys can see, it's a beautiful day outside. The view is amazing. Nice back roads. Loud exhaust. It's honestly the perfect time to get a video like this. Damn, that never gets old. This car would be so much more fun if this car was actually fast. Like, again, it does go up to speed, don't get me wrong. The acceleration of this car is so slow that it kind of takes away from it a little bit. If this car was fast, I feel like it'd be a completely different car. And boosting is definitely something that I want to do. I want to go ahead and buy a turbo kit. That's actually one of my goals. But the issue is, especially with the bags, it wouldn't be worth it, especially with the wheels that I have right now. 18 by 9.5 plus 45. Those are big wheels for this car. And I would have to change the wheels. I'd have to change the bags. I'd have to change a bunch of stuff on the car that I really don't want to change and I'd spend a lot of money on. So kind of sticking with this car being like a show car, but I wouldn't mind getting into an FRS that has boost. I definitely do want to drive one day just to see what the difference is, but I feel like if I do end up doing that, I'm gonna end up boosting this car, which reliability wise is the best. But turbo noises, from what I hear, definitely make up for it. This car doesn't have a horn, which sucks because all the times I needed to honk at somebody, I'm really not able to. Like I have no horn on this car. I gotta fix that. But somebody did get pulled over right here, and it seems like they're talking to the cops. Tesla got pulled over. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it was a bit different. It's not really something that I normally do. So if you guys did like it, let me know in the comments below. I don't mind putting on the camera and just going out for a drive. This is, honestly, it's kind of fun, and I'm hoping that the footage came out good. If it did, you guys will see the video. If it didn't, then this will be another video just gone. Another video just gone into the vault. But hopefully this video came out pretty good. And if you guys did enjoy, drop this video with a like. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.
Till I hear him say, la, 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 la.